Okay, hello everybody. This is Willie, and today I want to do a summary wrap up of the 4 trades that we placed today, August 2nd, Thursday. And you're looking at the chart of the Euro US dollar. This is the first trade that triggered. This actually triggered during the late Asian session. Last night on Wednesday was the FOMC announcement that the US is going to keep interest rates the same. Through 2014 and maybe even to 2015, and that made the dollar strengthen, but it caused havoc to the equity market. So, and then during the Asian session, went down a little bit and then started dribbling sideways. So we got in on a buy stop at 122.53. I put a stop of 18 pips, and we were targeting 20 pips here where the green line is. And you can see what happened is our trade was up initially, then up and down sideways for the longest time, and then kind of an Indy Jones trade, close to getting stopped, and then finally started moving up in London. And what happened here is I eventually covered this trade at +5. We actually got up to +10 right away, +11. Our target's the green line of 20. But however, we have British news that came up at 4:30 in the morning, New York time, construction PMI. And by that time, I had 3 open trades. I wanted to cover at least one, playing defense, okay, instead of so that not all 3 will get stopped at least. So that's how I trade. So eventually it would hit our target of 20. So we left 15 pips on the table in this trade, if you want to call it like that. But we were positive, and we got the direction right. The second trade that we did not have a good ending. This is the Euro Yen. Also, we entered this during Asia, late Asia. You can see kind of like choppy for the most part here. Right here at the top of this box we entered, and we were another Indy Jones trade. However, the bad part about this is my stop was only 17 pips. My generic is 22, and we got nailed to the pip at -17. And you can see that it went up. At its peak, we would have been up about 13 pips. And right now it's pretty much back to our entry. So the Euro Yen, the yen pairs have been choppy today. So this was our negative trade of the day. And the third trade that we did, that we entered, was the Australian US dollar. You're looking at it. We put a buy stop at 104.89, higher high. This thing triggered during Frankfurt. I never know when my trades would trigger. Again, came down. Our stop was 19 pips. We got up to -18 here, and then now it's just about hitting, it's right now hitting the 15 pip target. But I closed this at +7 just so that we can finish all our trades, okay, and end up slightly positive for the day. And then the fourth and last trade of the day was the Kiwi, the New Zealand dollar. I put a buy stop here at 80.99. You can see that this particular trade actually triggered during the London session. And this trade was clean, unlike the others. Clean meaning, didn't have a drawdown. It just started going up, and we covered it at 11 pips. You can see right now this is pretty much still where the price is. So that's it for today, at least during the London session. I will be trading the US market. So if you're in the room later, I'll catch you later. If not, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, happy trading to all.